Hey guys, today we're going for a ride in a 1968 LeMans Convertible. Should be a fun ride. Got a believed to be 350 under the hood. Power steering. Running nice and smooth. Drum brakes all the way around on this car. About halfway through the video, I'll drop the top and we'll ride back with the top down. You'll be able to see the top go down in the walk around video where I'm pointing out any kind of flaws all the way around this car. Two parts, a walk and a drive. You can find the walk around video at the last 30 seconds of this one. You can see 100 detailed pictures. Get financing information and shipping information at maplemotors.com. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride, guys. Gonna look around the interior before we take off. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Interior's in pretty good shape. Top's not too bad either. It's got some issues over on the side here. On both of these sides. Coming across the dash, pretty clean. You got aftermarket gauges under the dash. And it's showing 5,384 miles. I can't stand behind that. Not with these old classics. Starts up easy. Blower motor does work on this one, no AC. Trying our radio out, see if we can get it to do anything. I don't hear nothing on that. Wipers, they do work. All right, let's go ahead and try the horn. Oh, I heard it. Did you hear that? I got one beep out of it. Contact's probably a little corroded up in there, keeping it from honking. All right. Still good cold. Oil pressure's around 40. All right, guys, let's hit the road. Okay, got my seatbelt on. We're gonna take off down the road here. Anything that I see, I will point out. Our gas gauge is up to a quarter tank right now. We should be good. It's kind of floating around. We've had a little bit of gas. People are leaving in the cars now. Feels already feels pretty smooth pulling out of the lot. Steering don't have too much slack in it. It's nice and tight. But the car is drifting to the right. See me pulling me off the road here? Let's try the brakes. And the brakes kind of pull to the left a little bit. Kickdown is not hooked up on this one, but yet it's still pulling hard. See, we're passing this guy. No problem. Speedometer's working, not quite correct. We're going about 50. It says we're going 60. The turn signals are popping up on both sides of the dash. Sounds pretty good. We do have drum brakes all the way around. That's exactly what it feels like. And I guarantee you, after I knock the dust off, it's probably not going to pull to the left anymore. It just needs the dust knocked off of it. Driving it down the road. Well, so far so good. It does run and drive pretty good. It's got its little flaws, but I went over those with you. And our engine temperature is at 165 right now. Oil pressure is sitting about 35. I let off the gas and come back down to what it would be at an idle speed. We'll pull in here. I'm gonna get some outside shots. We're gonna be driving around this car, or walking around this car. I'm gonna be driving around the camera, and you can see all of the stuff that I use below in the description. Picked up most of it off of Amazon. Let's get these shots. A little bit of a hesitation there. Let's let it go back down. All right. Okay, we're getting ready to take off. Our engine temp is right at 180. Oil pressure's at 30. And we're gonna roll. Let's go. A little bit of a hesitation, like a flat spot in the car. Still pulling to the right slowly. Take a right on this road. It's the one that's got the speed bump in the middle of it. Coming up right here, nice and smooth on the suspension, hitting the brakes, still kind of pulls to the left. See it pulling? So the brakes pull to the left, the car kind of drifts to the right driving down the road. Hang on the steering wheel. I'm not sure what's going on over there. Everybody's just honking. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull back in the lot here. I got one more car I want to jump on today and get taken care of. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Definitely check out the walk around video pointing out all the flaws on this car. That way you know what you're getting. Y'all have a good one. Guys, if you have any other questions, please check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures. We got all of our inventory there. See everything that we pick up every week. We get about 10 to 15 cars a week. We got financing and shipping options available. Every car's, 100 detailed pictures. Pretty much takes care of everything with these videos and our website. I do appreciate y'all sharing the videos as well. It's been helping us out greatly. And if you're new, hit subscribe. I'm gonna go grab another car and take off on a test drive. Thanks for watching.